In this video, I'll guide you how to use Song Nhi's dialog box. First, navigate to the right bar, then you'll see a dialog box. From here, you can chat with Song Nhi AI to perform basic tasks like adding income or expenses, viewing reports, or checking transaction history. You can also type help or use voice chat for 24/7 assistance with anything you need. Global chat. In the global chat, you'll receive tips, tutorials, and updates on the latest features from the Song Nhi app, keeping you informed and empowered. Types of profiles. All the profiles you've created will appear in a list here, allowing you to quickly switch between profiles based on your financial strategy. You can chat with Song Nhi from each profile to help manage your finances effectively. And thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also, if you're looking for a smart way to manage your finances and escape the rat race, check out Song Nhi, the perfect finance app to help you achieve financial freedom. You can download it today and start your journey. Drop a comment below and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.